G'day, John here. Sometimes you just got to laugh at these things, eh? Or it'll drive you flaming mad. Yesterday, thought I'd go for a ride. Haven't been for ages. So I thought, put some fuel doctor in the tank. That'd be a clever thing. And here we are. Two options this morning. Jam a big screwdriver in there, bugger it completely, or hit it with a hammer. So I hit it with a hammer and I got it apart. So here's my fuel cap. Time to put the thing back together. All the little bits and pieces are there, but the mechanism was so jammed. All the little bits that turn, like this bit, this bit, this bit, metal on metal, where, jam, jam, jam. So, let's put the thing together. Now, that's it. Oh, of course, as well as breaking that, where the screws go, see it, but there and there, they of course broke off. Glad I only hit it with a small hammer, but I've got some glue to fix them. Anyway, the turning mechanism first. Key turns that, which turns this. Key turns this, which turns this. So, plenty of lube. In it goes. Which way? Let's put it in that way. There we go. Drops into its slot and the rubber seal pops out. I think I'd practiced this earlier. There we go. Rubber seal in. Bit more lube. Drop this baby on top. There we go. So that's the bit the key turns, which somehow gets transferred to make that move. Now on the top of the aluminium there, on the top of that, is this tiny little metal bushing. Some effort to reduce the wear. More lube. The rest of the air vent, rest of the fuel air vent. Drop that back in place. Can't have enough lube on it. Now this is the plate that holds it all together. Goes over the key ring and into place. Simple so far. Now to get a good seal, we have all these little springs, and these springs hop on these locating pins. And all 5 of them in place. A ring to go over the top. If I was more relaxed, I'd sing a song about got to put a ring on it, but I'm not. Now the challenge. Put this baby over the top. Rubber seal. Inox on everything. Inox in the mechanism, and then over we go. Fingers crossed it actually works. I think it might have actually gone in place. Woohoo! Okay. Screws go in. got some anti-seize thread locker stuff. Put that in there. Don't need to be too tight. That's it. Of course, check that it works. Key in the slot. Yes, of course it moves around a lot, and it only goes in that far. Hold it in the middle, and it works. Doesn't quite spring back, but it's easy fixed. In, turn it back. I'm afraid that'll have to be near enough. Now, to mount it to this. Quick clean with some carby cleaner. Clean the bits that are going to get glued. There we go. Pick up the O-ring that fell in the dirt. Okay. Line up the holes. She's in place. Put the one screw in that does go in. Now put the other screws in. Okay, that's in. Now, a bit of glue. Why haven't we evolved a third or fourth set of hands? Hey? You know, be very handy. A little bit of adhesive. Side. God, I could edit that out, eh? Well, there we go. Mess. You can just watch that dry for a moment for me. Make sure it doesn't run away. Alright. That's supposed to take only a matter of a minute to dry. Waiting. Time to go put it on. 2 O-rings, 2 screws. Bit of anti-lube, anti-lock stuff. Okay. Screwdriver, and away we go. Right, let's put this baby back together again. Don't let me forget. What all started this? Need for a bit of fuel, doctor. So I've done that. Screws in. O-rings in place. In position. Nice and firm. We've got to put the Loctite stuff on it next time. So, does it all fit? Locks in place. Opens. Smooth as. Just have to get the key in the right position. In the middle, turns. Done. Maybe I'll go for that ride next week though. Meant to be a cyclone coming, so anyway, talk to you then.